like fats, so that the body functions correctly. For quick weight loss, the following are excluded from the menu: fast food. You should not eat this food on ordinary days, and even more so on unloading days. Factory sweets, in which there is a huge amount of fat and cereals, as well as sauces, pasta, mayonnaise, ketchup. It is better to leave carbonated drinks. It is advisable to limit packaged juices. They have a lot of calories. Alcohol, it is high in calories and retains water in the body. When losing weight, you need to drink a lot of water, at least 1.5 liters per day. This will reduce the feeling of hunger during the diet, help to avoid dehydration, which is accompanied by headaches, weakness, irritability. Fats cannot be completely excluded from the diet. They are needed for the proper functioning of the brain, immune system, and internal organs. Reduce their number to 20% or less of the total calorie content of the menu and give preference to plant sources: olive oil, avocados, nuts, etc. To properly form a diet, adhere to the fractional principle: eat at least 5 times a day, but in small portions, no more than 200 g at a time. Then you will not be hungry, despite the fact that the total amount of food will decrease. In a week, you can lose more than 3 kg this way, without even limiting yourself and your favorite products. At the same time, you do not have to constantly monitor yourself so as not to eat harmful and spoil the diet. Try to reduce the number of temptations while losing weight: going to cafes, plentiful family feasts. If your fasting week is a holiday on which you overeat, reduce the amount of food the day after the event. You quickly compensate for the deviation in the calorie content of the menu. To make it easier to lose weight, stick to a constant diet without deviating from it for more than half an hour. The body will quickly get used to the routine, and you will not feel discomfort. The last meal of the day should take place no later than 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you play sports, fitness, visit the gym, adjust the menu, frequency, and time of meals, taking into account the activities. The ratio of KBZHU with a diet should be shifted towards protein. Leave complex carbohydrates on the window 40 to 120 minutes after exercise. In general, the bulk of the meal should be in the first half of the day. Add physical activity to lose weight quickly. When losing weight on a large calorie deficit, you need to be careful with strength exercises. Homework, cardio, dancing, morning jogging, etc. are optimal. It will be easy for you, and the weight will go away faster. You need to leave at least half an hour for classes every day, and work intensively. To train properly, devote most of your time to the problem areas: the abdomen, hips, and upper legs. Exercises for the abdomen and hips. For the abdomen, workouts aimed at the rectus and oblique muscles are effective: twisting with tension, lifting the body, legs at an angle and vertically, from a prone position on the floor. Stool training is useful for losing weight. You need to sit on it, put your hands on the seat and raise your legs, lifting them off the floor. You need to work in sets of 15 to 25 times, taking short breaks for at least 20 minutes. To losing weight in the hips, you will have to make a lot of effort. A problematic zone for many lends itself to training, in which there are many slow squats, pistol, ply, sumo with and without weights. To work out the inner surface of the thigh while losing weight, they perform intense exercises, for example, swinging legs, shaking the muscles. As with the hips, a variety of squats are helpful for weight loss. It is advisable to perform